Hello everybody, it's Miss Judy. I have a card for you today, and I had fun doing this card this morning. I usually make at least two cards of a design that I like, and so I have one for me and one to show you. So here we go. First of all, I'm using some Holly Jolly paper, two-sided designer paper from Close to My Heart. I'm also using an image from the December Stamp of the Month set, which says, "Wishing you a season of faith, hope, and love." And this will be available the first day of December. If you do a $50 order online or at a party or whatever, you can purchase the Stamp of the Month sets for $5. They're usually $18.95. These are our larger sets. They're called the I don't know, S series for Stamp of the Month. and I am giving away a past Stamp of the Month set called Random Acts of Cardness, and this is from September. And it's really cute. I'm going to be doing a couple of cards with some Christmas paper that have these images on them. The last thing I need to tell you is that I'm using a sketch from Cards TV, Kitten Caboodle Sketches number 5. You can find those at cardstv.blogspot.com. I'll put it on my intro to the credits. So let's get started. This is an A2 base, and I'm using the white, folded in half. It's going to be a landscape. I have a piece of glitter paper, and I cut the glitter at 5 1/4 by 4. Yes. So I'm going to put that down on the card base, and it's a very simple card to do, but it was fun to make, and so many different ways you can do it. Mine is not exactly like Mary's, but it is a sketch that got my thinking skills going, I guess you'd call it thinking skills, to see what I could come up with using the basics of her design. I'm going to use the little panels, and they are cut at 1 1/2 by 3 1/8. And so I'm going to start in the middle, and I'll put one down. Oh no, I've already forgotten something. My ribbon! I've got to put my ribbon on, so let me get this, see if I can get this up. I always forget something, folks. I don't know if it's me. Yeah, it is. Crazy mind. So I'll just pull that up a little bit and get the ribbon down. I can just adhere each end. I used to watch a lot of Robin Robin's Creations, and she does stamps also, and she called this the cheater method for putting on ribbon, and so I've always used that. So now I have the ribbon on. I might put a little extra glue down there where I pulled it up. Glitter paper is a little bit heavier. So now we're back to the design. So I'm going to put my first design, my first half of the paper, and I'm going to put it in the middle, right in here, and get that down, and that way I will have a starting point. It's about right there. Alright, got that down. Then I'll do each of the sides, and I'm using the back of the paper. This is such a cute paper set. I love the gingham, and This is the stripe that's on the opposite side. In just a minute I'll show you the other card that I did that I think I'm getting carried away here. I just reversed the little elements, the page elements. Now I'm going to do it like that because there, to stick it on the glitter paper is a little bit harder than others. So I made a label. It is the glitter paper 3 1/8 by 1 7/8 for the glitter paper, and then I just went down an 1/8 of an inch for those, and I'm going to put that just right in here, and I'm just going to glue it down. You can pop up or use glue or whatever. And then I found punch that my little grandson and my granddaughters, we like to punch stuff, and I took some of the glitter paper and punched out some little snowflakes that we're going to use to decorate and give it just a little more sparkly look to it. So I will get my tweezers and get my glue, and this is so easy to do. Once you have your design in mind, folks, you can just go to town and you can actually mass produce so many of these really nice cards that are very pretty. And just remember, there's nothing any sweeter than finding a letter in your mailbox with your name on it, and you know it's not junk mail because you know the handwriting of somebody, or you see the return address, or maybe it's just looks like it's a card. And there's nothing sweeter than sending, no better feeling than sending a card to a friend than it is to receive the card from someone. So the final thing I'll do on this is get my stickles. I've got to have a little little touch of red in each of the snowflakes. And I'll just put dots in here. And then I'm going to take one of the zip lines from the paper. All the sheets of paper have what they call a zip line. It's just a little design piece up on top, and I'm going to put that on here on the inside to kind of give it a little color, decoration on the inside, and let that go down. And then I'll trim. I don't want to be knocking my stickles off, so I'll just trim it very carefully back here and back here. And look, that beautiful card. Here's the one using the opposite sides that I made earlier this morning. I kind of got my ribbon on a little bit different, but anyway, you get the idea. You have pattern paper, double-sided. You have possibilities of doing all kinds of different things with that design paper. So if you're interested in any product, I hope you'll scoot over to my webpage, judyashmore.closetomyheart.com. You can go and enter your email, create yourself a password, log in, and shop directly to my site. And I do appreciate my customers, and don't forget, any order, sale, anything, you'll be entered into the drawing for this stamp set. So I'm going to bid you adieu for now, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for watching. And I love talking to you, and I love talking to myself. Ta-ta.